A notification has been issued appointing Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari, Advocate High Court, a long-standing and dynamic worker of the Pakistan Muslim League, as a member of the Central Cabinet, and as Central President of the Human Rights Wing of the Pakistan Muslim League. The notification regarding the appointment of Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari was issued with the approval of Mr. Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain and Mr. Chaudhry Salik Hussain, and was signed by the Secretary-General and Chief Organizer, Dr. Amjad. In this regard, a dignified ceremony was also held at the Central Secretariat. On this occasion, Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari expressed his special gratitude to Party President Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain, Senior Vice President Chaudhry Salik Hussain, Chief Organizer Dr. Amjad, Muhammad Tariq Hassan, and Mustafa Malik. He said that being entrusted with the responsibility of Central President of the Human Rights Wing by the party leadership is a matter of pride and honor for him. Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari stated that the Pakistan Muslim League is a historic party that has always played a positive, constructive, and democratic role in Pakistan's politics. The Muslim League is the founding party of Pakistan, and its political struggle, services for constitutional supremacy, and institutional stability are unforgettable. He further said that strengthening the organizational structure in accordance with party policy and the Constitution, mobilizing workers, and effectively conveying the message of the Muslim League to the public will be among his top priorities. Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari emphasized that if human rights are violated in any corner of Pakistan, they will stand firmly and impartially against such violations. He added that, in line with the vision of the leadership, he will work day and night to organize the party down to the grassroots level, and will play a full role in resolving the issues faced by party workers. Expressing his resolve, Dr. Yasir Munir Laghari said that he will utilize all his abilities to make the Pakistan Muslim League a strong, active, and people-oriented party by upholding party discipline, consultation, and the tradition of collective decision-making. He further stated that under the guidance of the party leadership, the Muslim League will continue to play an effective and decisive role in national politics in the future as well. On this occasion, a large number of workers participated, including Dr. Syed Amir Hassan, Sajjad Latifawan, Syed Tawsif Haider, Atola, Jamie Sahib, Nusrat Bilal, Muhammad Rizwan, Riaz Qureshi, and others.